Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. On this channel, you will find information related to WordPress, blogging, product tutorials, updates and other related topics. Now in this video, we are going to discuss how can you activate template editing in non-block based themes. Now this is a feature that was introduced in WordPress 5.8 and it gives you a way to create custom templates for your pages and posts using the Gutenberg editor. Now to activate this feature, what you will have to do is you will have to add a code snippet in the functions.php file, and on adding this code snippet, you will notice that in pages or post settings, it will show a template tab if it doesn't exist, and if it does exist, then it will show you an option to add a new custom template. Now once you will select this template, it will show you an option to edit it as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to both the articles on WordPress 5.8 and the one containing the code snippet in the description box below and in the first pinned comment, along with the timestamps to every topic covered and our socials. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, let me start sharing the screen, and in the meantime you make sure to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified every time we release a video. Hello guys and welcome to the screen capture of this video. As you can see, we have two tabs open in the browser. The first one has the local site open where we will be enabling the template editing on two non-block based themes or classic themes. The first one is the 2021 and the second is the 2020. Now in the second tab is the article where we have shared the code snippet. You can see it right over here. The link to this article will be in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. You can just go there and copy this code snippet and use it for yourself. Now the first theme that we are going to use is 2021 theme, and in this theme, if you will open any page or post, you will notice that there is the template tab is basically missing and there is no option to basically add or edit any of the templates. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So we go here, I'll add a new post right over here, and this is the post settings right over here, and you can see the template tab option is missing. The template option is missing. There is no option to basically select a template, add a template, or edit an existing template. Okay, now after adding this code snippet, what you will notice is that the template tab will appear right over here with the option to add a new template. Now it is important to know, if you are using the 2020 theme, then you will see the template option, the option to select a template in the post settings, and that is because the 2020 theme comes with three page templates. Now these are default, cover and width. Now let me show you what I'm talking about first. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to activate this 2020 theme. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this page, and you can see right over here the template tab is available. There is the option to select from three templates. The first one is default, cover and full width. Now it is important to know there is no option to add a new template. So after using this code snippet, you will see an option to add a new template right over here. Now why I am using these two themes, basically the first one is to directly show you the difference between the 2021 theme and the 2020 theme, because if you are using one and not using the other, then you might feel like this option is enabled. This option is not enabled in both themes. Okay, it's just that the 2020 theme basically comes with these three templates, these three page templates. So keeping this in mind, let me activate the 2021 theme first and activate template editing in this. Now to activate template editing in 2021 theme, the first step is to visit the theme file editor under the appearance, which is right over here. So I'm going to click this and it will show me all of the theme related files. Now out of these, I need to select the theme functions or the functions.php file. So I'm going to click it. and it will open the functions.php or the theme functions file. Now in the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, right, of this theme of this functions.php file. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to this tab right over here, copy this code snippet, copy. I'm going to paste it right over here. You can see the code snippet is right over here, and then I'm going to update this file, and that's it. Now template editing is enabled. Now to see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add new, and there you see the template tab is now available. You can click right over here and add a new template. It will ask for a name. You can add it like something like demo and click create, and it will take you to the template editor, and there you can see there is this rough draft. Let's go back, and you will see it appear in this drop down. It will show you this drop down. Now if you have multiple templates, then you can select from this list. In case you want to edit this template, you can click edit. To add new, again you can add new. Now this is how you activate basically template editing in 2021 theme or any non-block based themes or the classic themes. Now let me close this right over here, leave it. Now to activate template editing in 2020 theme, what you need to do is the first step is to activate this theme right over here. Okay, now in the next step, you will have to go to this theme file editor under the appearance, which is right over here, appearance, theme file editor. The steps are exactly the same. Now you need to search for the functions.php or theme functions file. Click this. It has opened. Now in the next step, scroll down to the very bottom like this. Go to this tab right over here, this link, copy this code snippet, paste it right at the bottom and click update file, and that's it. You have successfully activated template editing in 2020 theme. Now here is why I was doing it for both of these themes. You will notice the difference. Now you can see right over here there are these three templates and the option to create a new one. Now let me add this new one first, which I'm going to name as demo. Click create, and I'm going to go back. I'm not going to fully finish this. I'm just going to go back. Now you can see the option to edit this template that you've just created right now is right over here. You can click this option. It will take you to the template editor. However, when you select this default template, it will not allow you to edit this template. Now this is the difference that I wanted to show you, and that is why I did it in both of these themes. Now the process is exactly the same to activate the template editing in both of these themes. Do let me know if you were able to activate template editing using this code snippet. Again, the link to the article for the code snippet is in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Now in case you have any queries or face any troubles, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will try and help. Now I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to activate template editing in your non-block based themes. Now if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Now in case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.